I've got a craving, so I'm going to make a grinder salad wrap. I'm going to use my chopper, put in, I don't know what you call that thing, this attachment. I'm going to make, I've been seeing these grinder salad, well, like my bean salad recipe that I've showed y'all before was like this. So I'm going to take some salami. You just have to keep pushing it down. It'll go down with the other ingredients when you get it in there. My lettuce in here. I'm using good crispy romaine for this. I don't mind using the ribs. Some people don't like the rib of it, but it doesn't bother me. I like the crunchiness of it. And when you get about the amount you think you'd want on your wrap, look, that's about the amount of lettuce I want on it. I'll probably add some more salami. And you can add some pepperonis. Got a little more salami. Gonna add some white American cheese. You can use provolone. And I'm gonna take some sliced banana peppers. I like anything pickled. Gonna give this a little shake. You can add tomatoes if you want to. I'm just not going to add any today. Okay. And now we're going to make a little dressing to pour over it. Put a little mayonnaise, a little pepper, or a lot of pepper, some salt, not a whole lot. Got some salty ingredients in there, and some red wine vinegar. Give this a little stir. Gotta add some more pepper. And you can add this into this. You don't have to do it in a bowl, but I just like to mix in a bowl first. And put your lid back on. And make sure you got a good grip on it or this will go everywhere. Okay. Now I'm going to take plate and put I like these tortillas. Okay, I'm going to use a tortilla and take my mixture and put it here. I'm not an expert at rolling these things up. I see some people do it so perfectly and it looks beautiful, and I'm not an expert at doing that. And try to keep the ingredients down in there as you roll. I probably won't though, because I'll make a mess. And now I'll take a knife and cut it. And show you what it looks like. Yummy. It's good.